welcome to Jack TV,
the best TV station online. Hi everybody, all the viewers out there, say welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. I'm with superstar Yoonique say Yoonique, how you doing?
Good.
Hi, say everybody, say as you can see Yoonique, say she's involved in a lot of activities. Yoonique, what kind of activity that you involved in? I heard you're involved in karate.
Yeah, in dance school and music.
Dance school and music, say she's involved in dance school and music and karate and all those other things out there. The activities, say that she's involved in those type of things, say she's very, like she's out there, say she's very active, say and all those type of things, that's very good, say for her. And how old are you?
4.
She's only 4. You're only 4, and I'm amazing, say all those type of things that you have. Say I'm very proud of you, aren't you, Yoonique?
I'm very proud of you.
Okay, Yoonique, what do you like to say to all those kids out there that are listening to you?
You have to stay in school and believe in yourself.
That's right, you heard it from Yoonique. Stay in school and believe in yourself. You don't hear it from me, you heard it from Yoonique. Say to all of you out there, say stay tuned in Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. Tell the people what the best TV station to watch, Jack TV.